Hi, this is Dave Lorenzo with RainmakerLawyer.com, and we're sitting here in my office today because we're going to discuss the secret to persuasive writing. Now, the thing about persuasive writing is it's a real skill that's acquired over time, but what I'm going to do in the next couple of minutes is give you a formula so that you can structure your writing so that it can be more compelling, more persuasive, and you can kind of loosen up your style a little bit from that stiff style that many lawyers use that's more along an academic line of thinking. Now, persuasive writing, like I'm going to talk about today, is really designed to convince clients to do business with you. So continue to use the same style of writing you always have for legal briefs or any documents that you may write, obviously. But for the purposes of any marketing related materials that you create, whether you're creating a white paper for your clients to read, or whether you're creating just a letter that you're going to shoot off to a client in order to convince them to do more work with you, any type of writing that's designed to compel and persuade someone, you can use this simple formula. The beginning of the formula is establishing the problem that the client is obsessing about. So identifying the issue that's really paramount in the client's mind. You essentially want to enter the conversation that's already going on in your client's head. The second thing you need to do when you start to write is you want to make sure to bring that problem to the surface and sort of gently agitate the problem. Make sure the client knows that the issue that they are facing is not going to resolve itself on its own. It's only going to get worse if they don't address it. So you want to make sure you agitate that problem. The next thing you need to do is introduce what I call a generic solution. And that's the solution to the client's problem that doesn't necessarily include you. So it's the solution to the client's problem. Maybe the solution is as simple as just hiring a lawyer. Maybe the solution is as simple as hiring a qualified lawyer. Maybe the solution is as simple as hiring a qualified lawyer with your credentials. That's the third part of it, is introducing the generic solution. The fourth part, of course, is helping the client see and understand that you are the ideal lawyer for them. And you do that by outlining the qualifications of a lawyer who would be helpful in solving their problem, and you meet all those qualifications. So then the fifth part is the call to action, and that simply is asking them to call you if they'd like more guidance or support on this matter. So to recap, the five components of persuasive writing include stating a problem and establishing that problem firmly in the client's mind. Second point, agitating the problem, making sure that the problem is brought to the surface and is paramount, and that there's some urgency on the client's part in order to solve that problem. Third point is inserting the generic solution, making sure they understand that there is a solution to this problem and you're going to tell them what it is. Fourth point is identifying the qualifications of a good lawyer, or the qualifications of somebody who could solve this problem for them. The fifth point is the call to action, having them call you because you are the perfect fit, you are the perfect solution. This is very different than anything you've ever written, I'm sure, so take some time and become familiar with it, and I'm sure you'll find that it will be more persuasive than just your standard letter saying how great you are or your law firm is. My name is Dave Lorenzo, and if you'd like more great law firm marketing tips just like these, call me or visit me at RainmakerLawyer.com. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.